Okay, so if you're shooting on manual mode and you look at your light meter, this is an example of a correctly exposed light meter. You'll see this in the viewfinder or on the back screen of your camera. This is an example of an underexposed meter. So it's -2 stops underexposed. And this is an overexposed meter, +1.5 steps overexposed. So exposure is controlled by these three variables: your aperture, like how much light is being let into the camera, your shutter speed for how long the light is being let into the camera, and your ISO, which is the sensitivity to light, if it's not very sensitive versus very sensitive. So all three of these together make up your exposure. So if you are letting too much light into your camera, you're up down here in this overexposed meter. Some things that you can do is you can change the size of the aperture. If it's f2, that's really wide, maybe narrow it a little bit. Or if it's 1/30th of a second, that's kind of slow, maybe speed it up a little. Or again, here would be the example of a small aperture, which would help to let in less light, and then a faster shutter speed, which would help to let in less light. So you pick the option that's available that lets in less light.